Good morning. This is what I'm wearing today. I got some jeans and then this shirt. I can't tell if this is brown or black. It looks black, but yet in a way, when it's all together, it looks kind of brown. So anyways, I'm gonna ask my coworkers, because otherwise I was thinking about wearing like black pants with it, but instead I wore blue jeans and then black boots. So yeah, I can't tell what it is. Anyway, I gotta go out of, I go to my work, and then I have to drive to one of our outer counties. It's about 30 minutes away. I have to give a little talk there. So I'm hoping I'm tamed down, but yet a little bit decent. So that's, oh, then this was a thrift store shirt I got. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today, and I will show you my food in just a little bit. I might regret this, but I'm eating now at 7:30. But I've got stuff I got to go to today, and I'm just trying to get done. So guava is the flavor, 3 chicken sausages, and my yogurt and cottage cheese. This one still is a little crystallized, and it's watery, which doesn't bother me. You know, it's the yogurt and cottage cheese. I mean, I can't say it doesn't bother me. It's not how I usually have it and what I really like, but it's still good. So yeah, so that's what I'm having for my breakfast. Lunch today is my zucchini with some tahini on it and turkey with a little bit of salt. And it's gym day, so I'm eating my protein chips, and it is almost 4 o'clock. Okay, so I've got my ground beef, 6 ounces of 80/20. I'm going to add, I don't know, you know, weird things sound good. So, and I'm not pregnant. This is the sugar-free G. Hughes orange marinade. I'm going to add 1 serving, which is 15 grams. I do not even know why that sounds good, but okay, 15 grams. And then some, I've got some sriracha, and that is 5 grams. So, okay. All right. Come on there, feller. All right. I'm going to microwave that while we cut up a cucumber. A girl at work brought cucumbers. So I was like, yes, please. So we're going to cut up one of these bad boys. I need 300 grams. So I'll zero it out. Let me just see how much the whole thing weighs. 387. So let me cut off this little chopper. 320. There we go. Close enough. Now I'll put that little bit. I might just eat that. That's silly not to. Now I need a big bowl to put it in. Sorry about that. Had a phone call. Angie, if that's you, if you're watching this, pal, sorry. But, you know, I'm cooking supper. So, you know, supper comes before food before friends, man. Food before friends. So this is 392 grams. I'll plug it into Chronometer. And I'm having this for supper. It was like, I think like 60 calories. But anyway, so I'm going to put some tahini in here. And some salt. Actually, I'm going to add some of this umami. I'm getting a little bit wild with myself today. And then some salt. All right, now. Ground beef just buzzed. I'm going to use this lid. Shake it up. Shake it up, shake it up. Now, let's see if it tastes any kind of way. Yeah! That's good. I'm going to even put a little bit of Slap Your Mama on it. Alright, there we go. That's going to be my supper. And I'll have everything scanned into Chronometer, and I'll get it posted for y'all. I better call Angie back before she gets her feelings hurt. Okay, bye. Happy, what is today? Wednesday. Here's my macros for the day. I went to the gym and I got my gains on. I'm a gym rat.